Winter storm warning.
Winter weather message. Wind chill warning now in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Wind chill advisory is canceled. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has canceled the wind chill advisory. Winds west to southwest winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts around 25 miles per hour this evening and during the day Tuesday. Temperatures dropping to 5 below to 12 degrees below zero tonight and again Tuesday night. Highs Tuesday only 0 to 5 above. Wind chill readings of 20 to 30 below zero will be common much of time. Timing through Wednesday morning. Impacts, hypothermia, and frostbite. If you will be outdoors, use common sense and dress warmly in layers, making sure that all exposed skin is covered. Avoid prolonged exposure to the cold, if possible, to prevent frostbite and hypothermia. A wind chill warning is issued when a strong wind will combine with cold temperatures to create dangerously cold conditions for exposed skin. The wind will make it feel like it is 25 degrees below zero or colder for several hours.